Hello everybody. Today we will see the food review in box. See the box. We get a on tissue and on spoon also. Let's welcome to opening this one. This open is not very hard, but in single hand we get a hard much. 2 seconds. I will open and show. One friends. Now we open, seeing the rice and two types of dal. You can get what is this. I also don't know. My guess is almost chapati. I think they will give only chapati. Didn't give anything extra. But we will try to open it. Okay, friends. Now see the chapati. They are putting like that. Like a kerchief, I think. Okay, keep inside. We will start to eat. Wow, thank you God giving this food. Wow, in rice they're getting more aware. Okay, thank you friends. Seeing this, watching this video. Thank you. This is called paneer. We will eat in rice. Come, let's eat. Thank you.